So we have two pie doughs that we're going to work with, and one we're going to roll out for the bottom of the crust, and the other one we're going to set aside for now and use for the top crust. Okay, so we're going to roll out for the bottom crust. So this is our pie dough that we've already made, okay, and chilled, and then brought up. It's still pretty cool though. I'm going to dust my surface with a little bit of flour. Okay, put my pie dough down and just a little bit more. And then now I'm going to start rolling. Okay, so when I roll, I go top, bottom, one way, the other way, or we can go north, south, east, west. Okay. Now, automatically, I feel that it's kind of sticking, so I want to make sure I have enough flour underneath. Okay, that's too much. Okay, but enough flour so neither the dough doesn't stick to the surface or it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. Right, and then we keep going, and the goal is that our dough stays in a circle. I always start at the middle and roll out. Okay, now how do I measure? So I look at my dough, okay, and I'm going to have just a little bit of excess, so maybe like half to 3/4 of an inch all the way around. So I'm just holding my pie pan and going to use my pizza wheel to cut all the way around. Okay. And then these are my scraps, so we'll get rid of those. All right, I'm going to turn my pie pan over, and I'm going to take my pie shell and put it into my pan. Now when I put it into my pan, I'm pushing it in. I'm not stretching the dough. If I stretch the dough, then when the dough bakes, it's going to shrink. So I want to make sure that the dough stays intact. Okay, and so then I'm pressing it nice and snug. Make sure I have about the same amount of fold over. This is what will fold over in just a minute. Okay, everybody good? All right, then I'm going to take my filling, which is what we cooked the other day, and I'm going to spoon my filling into my dough, kind of even it out so there's no holes. And then I'm just going to take my offset palette knife and smooth it out so I have a nice smooth surface that I'm working with. Okay, so now I'm ready to do my last. So I'm going to set that aside. So I'm going to take my other piece of dough. Now, I need to make sure that I have my rolling pin, of course, a pizza wheel, the ruler, okay, and I like to use scissors too, okay. So make sure we have enough flour underneath so it's not sticking. And I'm going to roll out about the same size that I did for my bottom crust. And I pick up the dough because I could feel it's kind of sticking a little bit. Swirl it around to make sure I have some flour. I'm going to do a little bit of repair. And I'm keeping it round, right? Okay, get rid of all the excess flour. Okay, so now we're going to measure it into 2-centimeter pieces, okay? So I always like to start with a straight edge, and so I'll cut that off. And then measure 2-centimeter pieces, okay? So you can take a paring knife or the pizza wheel and mark 2 all the way across. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then I can bring it down and do again. So 2. Okay, And then we're going to play connect the dots. So I can lay my ruler down. And this will help us get nice straight lines. It's really helpful if your dough is pretty chilly, because then you can cut it nice and clean. See how my dough's picking up just a little bit there? That's just because it's starting to stick to my blade. So I can just put a little bit of flour on my pizza wheel. You don't want to do that for cutting pizza. Okay, so I keep moving the ruler. And then I'm getting my nice 2-centimeter pieces. Okay, so now I have all my pieces. All right. So now I have my pie. I'm going to take my longest piece and put it just offside of my middle. We're going to have 4 going this way and 4 going this way. Okay, just like this pie. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my 4 here. Okay. And then I'm going to lay 1 across just off of the middle. Okay. Right. Then I have to alternate. So I'm going to pick this one up and go that way. And then I'm going to pick this one up and go that way. Okay. So you can already tell that I've got over, under, under. And I've got enough space for all 4 this way and 4 that way. All right, so now I'm going to take another one and go this way. So to go this way, I'm going to pick up these 2 and lay it across. Okay, I can keep going in this direction, so I pick up the other 2 and then lay it across. Okay, so you can see under, over, over. Okay. And then I have 1 more, so I'm going to pick up these 2. Okay. So now I have it under, over for the whole thing all the way around. All right. Now I'm going to take scissors and cut all my little tails off. But those little tails we're going to tuck in to the piece of dough. Okay. Everybody good? All right. Now I'm just going to go and squish all the way around. It'll make it a little bit easier when I go to turn it all in. Okay, so it's all squished. And then I'm going to start rolling. So I'm going to take the edge and roll towards, tucking that little one in, and then press. So roll, and then press. So I'm pinching and pressing along the way. So once we get all the tails tucked in to that piece of dough that we cut for the outside, then I'll go back and flip. Okay, last one. Okay, so make sure all of that is nice and sealed. Way around. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna flute. So one finger is like a U and the other one is gonna point into it. And then I just keep turning the pie. I like to go away from me like that. So I just keep turning the pie as I'm moving, and crimping along the way. Now my fingers are a little sticky, so I'll put them in a little bit of flour. See how they don't stick anymore? And perfect, last one. Okay. All right, so I want to make sure that my dough is not hanging over the edge of my pie. Okay. And then we're going to egg wash. So this is just a little bit of egg and water, and then I take the pastry brush and just brush it. Don't drown it, just brush. Okay, this is going to give us some nice color and a little bit of shine. And then don't forget the crust. Make sure it's all shiny. Okay. And now it's ready to bake.